At Devant Travels, we take great pride in helping to improve the lives of thousands across the world. Hear what our members are saying about this amazing opportunity.
Hey guys, my name is Kirkshinta Turnipseed, and I'm so excited that you're here because you're going to love this program. I know I do. Within my first 24 hours, I got my first 2 commissions, and I'm so excited to share it with other people. All right. So, this is exciting. You get to join, you get to travel, using the vouchers that you get, and you get paid. This is a win-win. Get in there.
Hi everybody, it's Annie Coleman, and I just wanted to tell you I'm so excited to be proud of Devant Travel Group. And the reason why I'm so happy is because there's no waiting around to book any trips. You'll get a $2,000 VIP shopping card, and ever since I joined this opportunity, I've got paid every single day and every single week. It's absolutely amazing, guys. You really need to get on board.
I love Devant Travels. The discounts I'm receiving are insane. Discounts that the general public does not get. And I'm going to Cancun, Mexico. I can't wait. Check out Devant Travels, you guys. Get on board.
I know you guys are going to love and enjoy this program. Listen up, guys. You can get paid every day. I'm on my way to take a vacation to Cancun, where I've never been before. So if you guys want to take advantage of this opportunity, you guys need to get in right now.
This is Greg Rowling from St. Louis, Missouri. I want to tell you about my experiences with Devant Travels. Devant Travels is very rewarding for me. As you can see, I have my decals on my car representing the company as an independent associate. So if you want a rewarding experience, this is the company to join.
Nona here. How you doing today? I was so glad that I was introduced to this opportunity. Let me tell you, I was so excited. I signed up in 5 minutes, came in, got the training, and then when I promoted it for the first time, somebody signed up in 5 minutes as well. What's fantastic about it is no monthly fees, and guess what? You get paid daily. The bills come daily. You want to have fun daily. Now you got some extra cash daily to do that too. So yes to living better. Come on and go green with us.
I just love Devant Travels. I would recommend it to anybody who really wants to change their life.
So there we have it. Whether you simply want to travel or gain the financial freedom you rightfully deserve, Devant Travels has you covered. So don't delay. Get started today.